Amazon Associates Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top products are in the description. Now let's dive in. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly affiliate programs, making it a top choice for content creators, bloggers, and website owners. It allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting millions of products available on Amazon. The program is ideal for those looking to monetize their content without needing direct partnerships with individual brands. One of the biggest advantages of Amazon Associates is its ease of use. Signing up is simple, and approvals are quick. Affiliates can generate affiliate links directly from Amazon's website, making it easy to integrate into blogs, social media, and YouTube. A major benefit is the 24-hour cookie window. If a user clicks your link and buys anything on Amazon within that period, you earn a commission, even if it's not the product you originally promoted. Now, let's talk about strengths. First, the sheer variety of products available means you can promote almost anything, regardless of your niche. Amazon's high trust factor and fast shipping increase conversion rates, making it easier to earn commissions. The platform also provides detailed analytics, helping affiliates track clicks, sales, and earnings in real time. However, there are weaknesses. Amazon's commission rates are relatively low, ranging from 1% to 10%, depending on the product category. Some categories, like electronics, offer particularly small commissions. Another major downside is the 24-hour cookie duration. While you get credit for anything purchased within that time, other networks offer longer tracking periods. Additionally, Amazon has strict policies, and violations can lead to account termination, so affiliates need to follow the rules carefully. So is Amazon Associates worth it? Yes, if you're looking for an easy-to-join, widely trusted affiliate program with a massive product selection, it's a great option. However, due to low commissions and short cookie duration, it's best used alongside other affiliate networks. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.